Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well and had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2022. Are you a big fan of cookie butter? Well, I got a treat for y'all. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all some cookie butter fudge. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and the best part, only 3 ingredients. And if you're hosting a holiday party or a potluck, everybody's gonna love and enjoy this fudge. And you better make a second batch because this will be out in no time. This will be your new favorite treat for the holiday season. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other fudge recipe, peanut butter fudge and chocolate mint fudge. And my previous video, eggnog pancakes. I'll post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your baking dish, your sprinkles, and your cookie butter sugar, because we're about to make some cookie butter fudge magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is melt our chocolate. I have a double boiler and a pot of water with a large bowl. Make sure your bowl don't touch the water. We're going to add in the chocolate chips. I have 16 ounces of white chocolate chips. And give it a quick stir. And we're going to let the chocolate chips melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through melting my chocolate chips. It's completely melted. And off camera, I removed it from the pot and the burner. You can also melt this in the microwave if you like. Now it's time to add in our cookie butter. This is what it looks like. I'm using this whole jar of the crunchy cookie butter. And it has the cookies in it. It'll give it a nice texture and crunch to it. It's so thick. And stir this in until they're well blended. And as soon as I get through stirring this in, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up my cookie butter. Doesn't that look good? And look at the specks of cookies. And smells amazing. Alrighty, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in the 8 by 8 inch square baking dish that I lined with wax paper, and I greased it with butter on the paper and all around the dish. Oh yes, baby. Alright, so now I'm going to spread it evenly. Alrighty, so now there's one more thing we got to add to it. Our sprinkles. Going to use some Christmas sprinkles. Make them look pretty and festive. Like so. And that's it, my friends. How simple and easy was that? So now I'm going to cover my fudge and we're going to let it sit for 3 hours until it's firm. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, our fudge is nice and firm. Now we're ready to cut them into squares. And you can cut them any size that you prefer. I'm going to do like some medium size squares. Just like that. Beautiful square. All right, I'm going to place my squares onto my cake stand, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Cookie butter fudge. Doesn't that look good and festive? It's sure to make your mouth water. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I think I'll grab this one. Look at that. Have a bite. Soft and chewy, just melts in your mouth. And I love that crunch from the sprinkles and for the cookies inside the cookie butter. Once you bite into these, my friends, you'll be in heaven. These are amazing, divine, and decadent. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cookie butter fudge delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.